In this video, we are going to talk about compound assignment operators in PHP. What are they and what they are used for? They are a quicker way to perform arithmetic operations and update variables at a same time. What I mean by this, let's see it with a demo. So, for example, I have this variable and the value of this is 10. And if I echo it in the browser, I get 10. Now, imagine if you want to add another value with the old value. So in here we want to add a new value with the old value. So for that I will type x. So I want to assign x a new value which is the old value of x plus the new value. So this will should give me 20. And if I increase it by 30, now I will get 40 because the new value of x is equal to the old value of x plus 30. To make it shorter, we have compound assignment operators in PHP. We will use that. So now let's comment this out, and in here let's type x plus equal to the new value. So this will give me exactly same result as this. Now if I change it to 10, again I will get 20. Same formula but shorter. So again the new value of x will be the old value of x plus 10. You can do exactly same with minus, multiplication, division, and the remainder also. So now if I do it same thing with the minus, let's say x is equal to dollar sign x minus 5, or let's say minus 3, and equal this, I will get 7. Now to make it shorter, I will just say x minus equal to 3. Again, I will get 7 because the old value of x minus 3 is 7.